Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I'm so grateful. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So guys, I got this material I want to sew, and I don't even have a design yet. I don't yet know what I want to sew from this. There are actually two, this and this. So I'm going to be stepping out in a bit to get to the best tailor I can find to make something out of these. So guys, well, by the end of this video you are going to see what I finally made out of these and how they fit. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So I'm just going to go take my bath and rush to the market where I can get a tailor to sew this. So guys, on my way to the tailor. Here is the material here. So I want to go and take my measurements. So guys, I'm actually in the market right now. You will not imagine what happened. So while preparing to go to the market, because this is my first year living in Bamenda, so I don't really know any tailor, and well, my elder sister recommended her tailor to me, so I left and I was going to the market. That's actually Queen Market, because I thought all tailors are in Queen Market. So while in the taxi, I called her for confirmation. I was trying to ask her to direct me, to tell me the number of the shirt, and she was like, her tailor is not in the market, her tailor is in the quarter. And it was, in fact, I was going the opposite direction. I was just confused because I was already in the taxi and I was almost at Queen Market, and I didn't know what to tell the driver. So well, I just got to the market anyways, and I wasn't really used to that market, so I had to buy okra as well. So I just decided to buy the okra in the market and come back. I almost got lost though, thank God. So when I bought the okra, then I had to call, because she gave me the tailor's number, so I had to call her. She gave me directions, so I left from the market and I came to her place. It's really a small place, but she's doing amazing work, guys. You're going to see it at the end of the video. It's so amazing. So here at her place, she's taking my measurements, and I'm hoping you won't believe there is a surprise for you, because out of those two, I showed you guys two different types of materials. This amazing lady used 2 days to produce 5 different outfits for me. Can you imagine? I was so shocked because when I went, I didn't even know what I was going to sew. Like, I didn't know the choice I was going to make, and she was like, make many choices, so because this material can sew more than one dress. And well, I actually had just 2 designs in mind, but then I had to make out something there. I searched online. I just had to pick out a few outfits, and here is the first outfit I picked out. Yeah, she did it perfectly. I mean, it was just so okay. Yeah guys, so this is the second outfit loading, and here you go. This one is what we call an A gown, just a normal simple straight A gown with 2 or more colors or 2 or more different types of materials. So I actually really love this one so much. It's really simple for just simple occasions. Yeah. And here's the third gown, which is a normal straight knee level gown, very simple design. This one is just for simple outings. Yeah, I really love this one. Don't mind, I'm not putting on the correct shoes for these dresses. I just decided to show you guys the attires. The fourth design is a skirt it's just the skirt. Actually, the blouse, I wore it, I had it at home already. So this fourth one is just a skirt, and I love this one so much. In fact, I love pleated clothes. So yeah, I think this design is great, and she did it perfectly, the perfect length and size and everything. In fact, this lady is amazing. And here we go, the last design is this one. Well, I just decided to do something like this for casual wear, just, yeah, because there was actually some material left. So she said I should pick something small, and well, I think this is beautiful. What do you think, guys? So these are my 5 outfits, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stream my previous videos. Love you.